The Bulawayo High Court has reserved judgment in a case involving the Citizens Coalition for Change and Sengezo Tshabangu posing as its interim Secretary General, seeking spoliation damages from Nelson Chamisa. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we'll give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Tshabangu is suing Chamisa after the party's offices were repainted from yellow to blue by youths allegedly aligned with the former CCC leader. The blue color apparently indicates a new political movement spearheaded by former CCC members Gift Ostalo Siziba and Moses Chibaya, who claimed Chamisa would lead. Tshabangu said a group of unknown people, about 25 to 30, comprising of both male and female, besieged the CCC Bulawayo provincial offices, claiming to have been sent by the furthering of the interest of Chamisa, forcibly took occupation, control, and possession of the CCC offices. Tshabangu claimed the unknown people made it clear that they were sent by Chamisa and put up his portrait on top of the gate. On the other hand, Chamisa, in his opposition affidavit, reiterated that he is not currently part of any political organization, claiming his image and name have been misappropriated by many people who have no connection to him. This is today's news about Chamisa and Tshabangu in court, and Chamisa is denying that he is not part of any movement. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.